Hello everyone, it's time for lecture 3, instructional drafting, which also includes project number 1. Uh, Professional or not, I don't know, but this week I've decided to do this intro as a stick man. Um, it's never a bad idea to try to infuse a little bit of humor into things sometimes, make you smile a little bit. If it works, great. If not, well, that's fine too. But like it or not, I am stick man this week. Next week, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. We'll see when we get there. But anyway, this lecture is going to deal with project number 1. It's going to be a small, I say small, relatively small commercial building. And it will be basically residential type construction with a little bit of commercial element to it. We're going to focus on the foundation first. That's what we're focusing on right now. And then I'll add other elements to it. We're going to go through this whole project in probably a couple of weeks. Get this first one done, get some terminology out of the way, some formalities out of the way, and then after that we'll dive into a couple of larger projects. For now, we're just going to get started on the foundation, the concrete elements of this particular project. And as always, if you have any questions, please message me, email me, come by, whatever you need to do, and we'll take care of those questions. All right, before we get started on the project, there's a couple of things that you need to be aware of that I've either changed or added to the site. And try not to think about the stick man talking while I'm doing this. Under references, you have Cad Layers, Brister. That's new. I just added that. And if you've had this from previous classes, this one actually has changed a little bit, and we're going to look at it in just a second. So you need to get this updated one if you have the older one. And then down here, this is lecture 3, project number 1. This is the due date right here. It'll be not this coming Friday, but the next. So you'll have roughly a week, and it is due at 12 noon, and that's when I want it linked, or not linked, but submitted. And I don't have the link in here yet, but there will be a link in here where you can submit those drawing files, or PDF files actually. And I'm going to go over all that here in a little bit. So for now, just know that CAD layers are here. They are different than the previous ones. And here is the project link. And again, there will be a link in there to upload the files once you're complete. For now, we're actually going to look at these layers because I want you to be able to see them, and I want to explain a little bit about them. You're going to use these here for the most part, structural, obviously. There are some here, some general basic dimension and notes layers based on scale. So if you're doing a plan at 1/8 inch scale, this is an 1/8 inch dim layer, 1/8 inch notes layer, 1/8 inch tag, which would be tags for anything that has a tag, doors, walls, anything like that that has a tag with a reference on it, and then room names, of course. There may be times where some of these architectural layers get drug into it, but it just kind of depends. I don't know yet. Actually, I'm going to, let's see,